Okay guys, here we are at the Hustler Turf from XL Industries, and we're going to get over here and take a look at these new mowers, and we'll get someone here to interview, let you know what the new equipment is doing, what they are, explain them to us a little bit. So we'll be right back and get you someone to talk to. Alright guys, so here we are in the Hustler XL Industries Hustler Turf mower area, and we have some really nice new lines here, and I mean these are good looking mowers. And excuse me sir, oh, do you mind being on camera?
No, not at all.
Alright, we have Mr. Frank Nuss here, and Frank, I'm Max Hughes.
Hey Max,
from
how you doing?
Max's Garage Mahal YouTube channel.
There you go.
And by the way, we also are with the Hustler Mower Owners official group.
Oh, okay.
So, and if you're not in, we'd like for you to join us if you would.
Absolutely.
So, would you mind walking us through? So, are these your new lines here?
Yeah, these four up top are new products for what we're introducing for the year, and then I'll also show you a new catcher on the Fast Track series.
Oh, great! A leaf time.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you,
Big time leaf time. Yeah.
These four products are the new ones. Three of these are actually going to be, I guess, what I would call industry exclusive.
Okay.
We could start with the ZEVO. So the ZEVO.
Oh, I see something right here. It's got a battery icon on it.
Yes, sir.
So this is going to replace the old Xeon.
The old Xeon. If
The
you've been around,
Xeon. So
you've been around the old Xeon.
the Xeon, yeah, man.
This is a ZEVO.
Okay.
This is our electric residential zero turn.
Sure.
42-inch fabricated deck. That's what sets the ZEVO apart from the other residential mowers in this class. They are all stamped decks.
Right.
The ZEVO's got a 42-inch.
Now that's standard with everything in Hustler Turf, correct?
Yeah, no, we are all fabricated decks.
Every one of them.
Yeah.
Every
so
model.
The ZEVO is a fabricated deck, actually a fabricated chassis. If you look at the chassis, it's a very similar chassis. The front half of this chassis is right from our high-end residential Dash series.
The small new residential.
The new small residential one that starts at about.
It's been out a couple of years now.
That's only been 2 years.
Yeah, and it's really proven itself.
Actually. And so this little ZEVO, all electric, 48 volt.
48 volt.
48 volt. Another neat thing about the ZEVO, it actually has the largest battery capacity of all of the residential electric zero turns. And when we say battery capacity,
now what type battery, sir?
These are AGM batteries, they call them.
The glass mat batteries.
Glass mat batteries.
So they don't leak, and
yeah, they don't leak. You can flip them over. They take charges better. The charges last longer. They'll last longer over the winter.
Right. So the memory is less on those. They'll take charge longer.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
And another thing about, we have the largest battery capacity, and by that what I mean is think of it as a fuel tank.
Can we see the batteries?
This has the largest fuel tank.
Yeah, because the battery is your fuel tank.
Motors,
right.
If you want to look at it that way.
Now that was really the downfall of the Xeon, right?
Well,
because it was a little bit ahead of its time, I think.
Was way ahead of its time. Early technology. I don't think the market was ready for the Xeon back then.
Oh, and check, you've got, I mean, you've gone high, you went out all the way with the Anderson connectors.
Yep.
And let me see if I can get in here with your electrics.
You've got independent controllers on both of your deck motors and your transmissions.
Hey boys and girls, if you haven't seen these, get into the dealer. This feels just like a gasoline mower control. That feels wonderful.
This is going to be a home run, and we're talking about $4,700–4,800.
Really?
Not a bad price. Not a bad.
So this is coming in pretty close to what the competition.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
With a fabricated deck. Now, for the dealer, for you dealers out there, what's interesting about the way our engineers designed this is troubleshooting this. You don't need special.
You don't have to have programming and stuff?
No special tools. A regular turf equipment dealer, Hustler dealer, they can troubleshoot. That's what's nice about this as an electric mower. It takes the fear of electric. Anybody can learn to work on this and troubleshoot it down the road. It's not, you don't have to be.
Now, let me take that statement. Now, I don't want to put you on the spot.
Yeah.
I understand. But let me ask you this. While the word anybody can learn to analyze a problem, is this something that can be done at home by an individual? Can they learn it? Yeah, I'm not saying it's something to cut a dealer out. Let's say it's 75 miles.
They could learn it. I mean, I've got a heavy-duty mechanical background. I can work on things. I understand it. I can troubleshoot.
Okay, that's what I wanted to.
And so there's people that.
So if you have any background in pulling the wrench,
there's either people
or
that can
run
use,
ohm meter,
absolutely.
multimeter.
I don't know how much you need, but just the briefing I got, I spent quite a bit of time with the lead engineer on this, and I understand it. I understand it, and I understand the benefits of how easy it will be to serve.
Now, let me ask you this, because I heard a rumor that these people right here have built the wheel motors.
I don't really know for sure. I know that these are proprietary wheel motors.
Can I ask that young gentleman? Do you mind if I pull you in here, sir?
What would you like to know, sir?
Well, now I understand you're from Hydra Gear. And by the way, let me say this. I'm not on camera, but I am talking so they know I'm here. Y'all are working with me to build the world's land speed record holder Hustler Raptor and Hustler Super Z. So I appreciate you guys working with me. And it's not a joke. It's just a sort of a fun little video series we're doing. But I appreciate your help. Now, I heard a rumor that Hydra Gear has presented XL Turf with the wheel motor that's proprietary to Hustler. Am I correct? Is that just a rumor?
That's just a rumor.
Just a rumor. All right, now we're going to have to wrestle because I know that's not just a rumor. I've looked under here and it has their name on it.
It
right?
says XL Industries on it.
It says XL Industries on it, but it's produced by Hydra Gear. Am I correct?
I'm not sure.
Well, that's what I've heard from somebody up the chain. So I will go over to your booth and I'll make sure that they tell me, hey, I appreciate it. Thanks for being in the video.
But
okay.
If you pan around, this is your charging port. Pretty simple.
Now, is that proprietary to y'all?
You know, I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it is. I think that's a standard type.
Is it standard? That would be good.
Sorry.
Did you see his charging port over there?
You get a shot of the transmission.
Yeah, let me get down here.
So these are pretty heavy duty transmissions. These are proprietary XL Industries, stamped right on the side. Interesting thing about
I think it says it right there, but I can't get enough light on it.
On the side it does.
Over on the side, okay.
What's interesting about these for you, the dealer, again, there's no left and right. One transmission, you switch a little bracket and it can be worked on, it can operate on the left or the right side. So that bracket just changes how far the... I believe it has to do with the brake mechanism.
Oh, probably so.
Yeah,
probably
so
so it's reversible forward or...
reversible transmission.
Okay, does it do the same speed forward or back, in other words?
It flips upside down.
Okay, that's good. So, now is this the little big bite tire?
Yeah, the little big bites on
the little big bites, okay.
You want to get a shot of the panel up there.
Yeah, I do want to do that. Sorry guys with this filming here.
This also has your patented automatic parking brakes that all Hustlers have.
Right. Now that's the best thing, one of the best things that you ever did is I like the drop pin deck set, which y'all have on this mower. I like that. You continued that. And I like this, as you said, the park brake built in. Anybody could screw that up. They don't need to be on the mower.
Actually, I might be mistaken there. Parking brake is on the foot.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a reason we did that. A little different reason, logic on the steering and the braking. So
does this disengage the blades, perhaps?
No, but that.
That's nice.
On.
Okay.
It's that simple.
All right. I like that.
Got your heavy-duty caster bearings out front, extra wide, tough tires on the front. Caster.
Don't have those flip-up babies on the front.
We already covered under the seat.
And you've got the seat. You've got the good seat on it.
Yeah, the nice seat, real nice cushion.
Oh yeah.
Real thick there.
And then you've got. I'm gonna get in here and see.
So what's unique is this is a 2-speed setup. Got your hour meter. This will cover how much juice you have in the battery, your electric PTO, your key, and this is your speed button, high and low.
Really?
Yeah. So low speed's about 5, high speed's almost 7. And you can hit
this will do 7 miles an hour.
Yeah, and you can hit that on the fly while you're driving. You want to probably mow at 5, but you can mow at 7 if you want. Your battery life will just be shortened.
Okay, so now I also heard a rumor that battery life is like 6 hours on this machine.
6 hours, I wish.
Yeah.
Battery life is about roughly 90 minutes of mowing.
Well, that's what I was wanting to ask. If that 6 hours is true, or if it's ideal.
It's 90 minutes.
90 minutes. Okay.
Is your mowing, depending on conditions, but
Well, now,
residential.
First of all, Frank, I want to thank you for squaring that away, because I would have said, from what I heard from another person, that it was 6 hours. They even showed it to me in writing, and I'm thinking there's no way.
There may be a manufacturer that can mow 6 hours, but it's also about $26,000. I'm thinking there's
Right, but I mean, this would still be an ideal situation where grass is taken off a half inch and it's pretty flat.
Again, this is a residential zero turn for $47,000.
And if it's a residential, you're mowing 90 minutes, you run too much yard.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is,
well, I like this.
This is bringing a whole nother.
Now, are you just playing this out in the test area so people can try it? Okay,
Absolutely.
great. We'll try to make sure that we get you out there and demonstrate it.
Appreciate it.